What is machine learning? Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence where computers learn patterns from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Example, instead of coding rules like if email has a lottery, spam, ML learns pattern from thousands of emails. Machine learning replaces manual codes with data-driven learning. Why ML exists? Why ML exists? Why do we need ML? Machine learning. Some problems are too complex to write rules for. Machine learning helps predict, classify, and generate results from data automatically. Example, Netflix recommends shows based on what you and others watch. Self-driving cars detect pedestrians without hard coding every possible scenarios. Types of ML. Different ways machine learn. First is supervised learning. Learns from labeled data, input, correct output. Example, predict house prices, spam detections. Second one is unsupervised learning. Finds patterns in unlabeled data. Example, grouping customers based on behavior, customer segmentations. Third one is reinforcement learning. Learns via trial and error with rewards or penalties. Example, AlphaGo, self-driving car, navigations. Components of machine learning. How machine learning works internally. Data. The information we learn from features, labels. Model. The algorithm that finds pattern. Training. Feeding data to the model to adjust it. Prediction. Using the model on new data. Evaluation. Checking how good the model is. Example, input house size, location, output, predicted price. Training adjusts the model until predictions are accurate. Machine learning versus artificial intelligence versus deep learning. Artificial intelligence, machines doing intelligent tasks. ML, machines learn patterns from data, subset of AI. Deep learning, neural network based machine learning, subset of ML. Example, AI, machine intelligence. Machine learning, computer learns from data. Deep learning, computer learns from layers of data using neural networks. Real world examples: Gmail spam detection, YouTube Netflix recommendations, fraud detection in banking, voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, self driving cars.